Best Dishwasher in 2020. Number 1. EdgeStar Compact Countertop Dishwasher, EdgeStar Portable Mini Dishwasher in stainless steel interior for small apartment, office and home kitchen with 6-place setting rack and silverware basket. Cleans as you go, a convenient and small EdgeStar certified dishwashing machine for cleaning the dishes after dinner or cooking. Simply load the dishes in the dish basket and cutlery rack and let this white dishwasher do the dirty job. Number 2. EdgeStar DWP62SV 6-place setting EdgeStar rated portable countertop dishwasher, silver. 6. Standard place setting capacity / includes dish rack, cup shelf, and cutlery basket, holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter / 7. Wash cycle / quick connect adapter fits standard size kitchen faucet / beautiful digital display. Number 3. EdgeStar DWP62WH 6-place setting EdgeStar rated portable countertop dishwasher, white. 6. Standard place setting capacity / includes dish rack, cup shelf, and cutlery basket, holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter / 7. Wash cycle / quick connect adapter fits standard size kitchen faucet / beautiful digital display. Number 4. Amazon brand, Salimo dishwasher detergent packs, fresh scent, 85 count. 2-inch-1 grease fighting and rinse aid, removes stuck on food, fresh scent. Number 5. Farberware FDW05ASPWHA complete portable countertop dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank, 5 programs, baby care, glass and fruit wash white. Quality control note: all dishwashers are factory tested to ensure proper operation. As a result, it is normal for small amounts of residual water to be found in the unit. Compact design: this convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.